Alita. What did you mean when you said that Ron taught Mick?
Well, it's kind of hard to explain. I guess all of us are looking for security these days. You see, Mick thought, well, like a lot of other people, that if he had money and an important position, it would make him secure. Then when he met Ron, who didn't have either one and didn't seem to need them, he was completely baffled. The answer was so simple, it took Mick a long time to figure it out.
Well, what was the answer?
To thine own self be true. That's Ron. You see, Ron's security comes from inside himself, and nothing can ever take it away from him. Ron absolutely refuses to let unimportant things become important. And that's what Mick and I were doing. We were. In fact, things got so bad between us that right before he went to Korea, we were thinking of a separation.
Oh, no. You seem so happy.
Not then. We weren't happy then. Our whole life was devoted to keeping up with the Joneses. But when Mick was wounded and had a lot of time to think, he decided to get off that merry-go-round. When he came back, he put it right up to me.